I'm not sure if you're one of those Permobil users that have the rubber cushions in the seats. I believe they're, let's see, Ergo. I think people call them Roho. But as of late, my wife has popped not only one, not two, but three of these. And it's always been in the same area. And no, it's not been cat scratches or anything like that. It's just been these essentially slide points, I guess. So you can see where I've applied patches on this one. You can see where I've applied patches on this one. But you'll notice right at this point, the wear point, they'll get other issues. And here, over here, you actually see the original problems. You got these wear points where you get holes. And I've applied patches, and these are factory patches. Ordered new seats, which is expensive. And she's actually sitting on one of these that's been patched, but not one of these. I can't show it to you right now, but essentially I just took a regular tire patch and used something called shoe goo, which my dad used to use to fix my tennis shoes, and that continues to work. And that's probably the oldest cushion that she has. I'm not sure what's changed from these particular cushions. All I know is that these areas that you can see, and you can see it over here too, they get these wear points. It's almost like maybe they're using rubber or whatever the material is that's not sufficiently tough enough to withstand just people moving around on their seats like normal. But yeah, just a bicycle tire patch or these patches combined with shoe goo, it seems to work. So save yourself some money and yeah, see if that works for you.